Hi students, I am Professor Prashant Badane of KJ Somaiya College. I heartily welcome to all students in SYBBA Computer Application. In semester 3rd, the 7 subjects, one of the recent technological subjects in a syllabus is a blockchain. Firstly, we know what is a blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed software network that functions both as a digital ledger and mechanism enabling the secure transfer of assets without an intermediary. Just as the internet is a technology that facilitates the digital flow of information, blockchain is a technology that facilitates the digital exchange of unit of value. Anything from currencies to land titles to oaths can be tokenized, stored and exchanged on blockchain network. The blockchain is a type having private permissionless blockchains. Today there are many forms of blockchain technology, and in this syllabus some blockchain technologies can to include and you can learn in this syllabus. Here the subjects, the name is blockchain, course code is CA305 option, credit points 3. Now we will discuss the syllabus. In the syllabus, the first chapter is Introduction to Blockchain. In this chapter, that contains digital trust, assets, transactions, distributed ledger technology, types of networks, components of blockchain or distributed ledger technology, ledger, in the ledger that contains blocks and blockchain, private key and cryptography. In the cryptography, that private key, public key, hashing and digital signatures, consensus, Byzantine fault, proof of work, proof of stake, securities, distributed applications, cryptocurrency, digital tokens. This is a basic introduction of blockchain in this chapter we have studied. In the chapter 2nd, it is a big chapter and it's the most important chapter. the in this unit how blockchain works. The first topic is how blockchain is work, structure of blockchain, what is a block, what is a hash, blockchain, about a blockchain, distributed blockchains or distributed ledgers, life cycle of blockchain, what is the smart contracts, consensus algorithm, proof of work, proof of stake, practical Byzantine, fault tolerance, actors of blockchain, blockchain developers, blockchain operators, blockchain regulators, blockchain users, membership service provider MSP short form, building a small blockchain application. This is the whole blockchain information with practical information to study in this chapter. Third chapter, Introduction to Bitcoin. This is one of the technology in a blockchain. Today there are many forms of blockchain technology, and the first one is a Bitcoin to use in exchange monies, digital currencies using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more things like this. Introduction to Bitcoin. Bitcoin currency information, double spending, cryptocurrency, P2P payment gateway, wallet, and mining. These concepts in studied in this chapter. The next chapter is Ethereum. Same Bitcoin like one of the Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the use like Bitcoin. In this chapter, Ethereum network, EVM, transaction fee, NIST, Ether or gas, Solidity, smart contracts. Solidity is one of the programming language, and in the Solidity, you can create a smart contracts. Truffle is one of the framework that used in Ethereum. Web3, design and issue cryptocurrency. Mining, distributed apps, and DAO. These are in Ethereum. The next one is in this unit 5, Introduction to Hyperledger Fabric, version 1.1. The Hyperledger is one of the most important technology in this blockchain. Introduction to Hyperledger. What is Hyperledger? Why Hyperledger is important? Where can Hyperledger be used? Hyperledger architecture. What is membership? Blockchain and Hyperledger, how to use? Transactions, chain code, Hyperledger fabric, and features of Hyperledger. These are all the syllabus of blockchain technology. The next one is reference books. Which reference books are used in this syllabus? These are refer to the syllabus. These books are referred to the from university sites: Arvind Narayan, Joseph Bonneau, Edward Felton, Andrew Miller, and Stephen Gottfried. He wrote a book on Bitcoin cryptocurrencies technology, a comprehensive introduction of Princeton University Press in July 19, 2016. Antonopoulos, Mastering Bitcoin, Unlocking Digital Cryptocurrencies. Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This is the third book. The fourth is a yellow paper on blockchain technologies. Dr. Gavin Wood, Ethereum, a secure decentralized transaction ledger, in 2014. Niccolo Edzai, Massimo Bartoletti, and Tizana Simalo, a survey of attack on Ethereum smart contracts. These are the reference books that suggest to the university, and many more reference books are available in the internet. This is a syllabus introduction of SYBBC. Course title is Blockchain. Thank you.